Hi guys, in this video we will see how to open Google Chrome browser using CMD. You can easily open Google Chrome browser by using command. Here are the process. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt windows you will have to execute a command to open Google Chrome. This is the command start space Chrome, and you can see Google Chrome will now open. So a simple code you will have to use, a start space Chrome, and Google Chrome will automatically open through Chrome. If you fail to launch Google Chrome in normal way, then you can easily open Google Chrome, from which you can also use any sites from here, Chrome and site URL address, and you can see your site will automatically open through a command. So not only Google Chrome, a particular site you can also open through command prompt windows. So simply type a start Chrome and your particular website address. You can also open Chrome through run command box. Right click on start button, choose run, and here type start Chrome and your Chrome will open through run. Start Chrome. Okay, without a start word, directly type Chrome and Chrome will open. The third one is, again go to run command box, right click on start button, choose run, and here type Chrome space and your site URL and click on OK, and your particular site will now open through run dialog box. So you can easily launch Chrome as well as your site through command. That's all.